Great news, fam. The Hebrew courses for children are available. That's right. We have courses for adults and for children. As a former Sunday school teacher, I am proud to announce that the Hebrew courses for children are ready. Parents, it's important that our children learn our language. Hebrew was our language before we were speaking English. That's right. Our ancestors had Hebrew names. Hebrew is a part of our heritage, our legacy, our culture. The courses for children also are beneficial for adults. Parents, you can learn alongside your children in the courses. It's important that we start our children early in Hebrew. Now, if you ask me, it's never too late to learn Hebrew. The moment is now. No more putting off Hebrew. No more procrastinating. Oh, I know about procrastinating. No more hesitation. No more disbelief. You can learn Hebrew. That's right. You will learn Hebrew. And I encourage you to return back to your language. Adults and children, let's return back to Hebrew. I will make sure that I will teach Hebrew correctly, and I will make sure the classes for children will be fun, exciting, and engaging. Many of us came into the truth later on in life. However, our children do not have to have that same late start. I had a late start. I came into the awakening about 2019 is when I embraced it. I heard about it in 2018, but 2019 is when I embraced it. Many of us had a late start. I had a late start in learning Hebrew. However, your children do not have to go through the same experience that you had to go through. Learning Hebrew at a later time. Receiving knowledge of self at a later time. As adults, as parents, we desire for our children to be better than us, to build upon the foundation that we laid. Let's return back to our language. Don't be afraid to learn Hebrew. Do not be intimidated. Do not fear. Take back your language. All praises, all glory, all honor, all kavode. Kavode is the Hebrew word for honor, splendor, and glory. All kavode to our great King. Children and adults, the Hebrew courses are ready. Go down below in the video and enroll now.